missed that. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. I was working and totally not watching basketball. See? Spreadsheets. Anyway, speaking of basketball, have you ever wondered to yourself, how does a custom product get made here at Stronghold? Well, for the 5 of you that have asked that, today's your day. We're going to show you. So the first step is you go to our website, find the product that you want, and fill out our form. Submit it to us. That comes to me via our web forms. The other way is by calling our friendly customer service department. Or Aaron.
What?
After our customer service department takes your information down, they pass it on to Steven, our custom quote master.
Seriously?
Next, we send it to our world-class engineering department.
What are we doing? Hey, what's going on here? I'm serious. What are y'all doing?
Next, we send it downstairs to Hannah. She does all our scheduling. Say hi, Hannah. Chase also helps with scheduling too. Isn't that right, Chase? After scheduling, we send it out to the shop, where we cut it, we bend it, we weld it, we steam it, we paint it, we wrap it, and finally, we ship it. And that's how a custom's made. So when you're ready for yours, visit our website or give us a call. We'll take care of you. See you next time.